Shut up and sit down.
Oh, hello and welcome to a Northwell side-by-side video. Sorry for any glare, it's quite a bright day today. Let's just have a quick look at the centre console. This one is an automatic with manual override. So we've got reverse and a reverse camera, neutral and drive. That's full automatic. Now if I come across with the gear lever, this now gives me access and it tells me here what gear I'm in. It won't change gear until I'm moving, but you can move up and down the gears by pushing the stick forward, pulling it back if you want to drive it and select gears manually. To get out of that function, just go push the lever across, go back to drive. You've got a little button there which you do need to pull up to access some of the gears, but to get out of park, foot on the brake, pull the button, puts you in reverse, neutral, drive. You can go from drive to neutral without pulling the button, but it's locked out of reverse, so you have to pull the button. That puts it in reverse. It's also locked out of park, so you have to pull the button to put it in park. Safety features that make sense. We've got two cup holders, and also we've got some space that fits an iPhone. So you can leave your phone there, out the way, out of sight, out of mind. Moving down the console, this car's got a manual handbrake, which I really like. And then we've got one more cup holder in the back. So that's the centre console. Cup holder, handbrake, gear selector, cup holders, somewhere to put your phone. Up above the centre console, we've got USB-C and 12 volt power. There's nothing else under here. That's what you get. Then we come to the heating and the ventilation, HVAC. It's really simple to use. This Aygo has auto climate control. Yours might not. All I have to do to turn the aircon on in this car is push the auto button. It lights up, tells you it's on, tells you what temperature you got set, and sets the speed of the fan to come out of the vents. There's vents here, vents here, vents here. We'll turn it off. You can also use the air conditioning manually by pushing the AC button here. That'll turn it on. I'm going to turn the fan on. You need the fan turned on to be able to turn the air conditioning on. Reset button. On and off. Now the air's coming from the outside of the car. When it's lit up, it's recirculation mode. Next button along is the distribution button, where the air's coming from, where the air's going, down to my feet, windscreen and feet, face, face and feet, back to feet. Then we've got the button for the heated rear window and the heated mirrors. Again, just push the button. Then we got front, demister. All the buttons are backlit. And finally the off button. This rotary knob controls fan speed. You can hear the fan ramping up. And going down. The auto button also rotates, and that controls your temperature. Aircon couldn't be any more simple.